Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did these super cute boho braids. Keep on watching. So for this look, I used the Easy Braid pre-stretched hair. It is in 52 inches if it's straightened out, 26 inches folded over. So this is the braiding hair. And then of course for the boho look, I used no other than Ywigs. So they sent me 2 bundles. This is the deep wave hair and it's 20 inches. I only use 1 pack, not even a full pack on this look. So the next time I do this, I'm definitely going to use more of the curly hair, but let me just show you what it looks like and I'll go into more details with the hair a little later in the video. So this is what the hair looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I've had 0 problems with this hair and it's been up for a week now. So this is my first time doing boho braids. I have done boho twists before. I'll link that video up above, but I did do the feed-in method. And also for these boho braids, these are not knotless. I did the crochet method, but I absolutely love how they turned out. I'll give you a 360, and then we're gonna get right into this tutorial. Absolutely love how this turned out. So let me show you just how I did it. Keep on watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.